Hi, it's Raj. So, this is the unboxing and review of Cello Checkers PET plastic canister set which I bought from Amazon India. So, let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, this is the product package. It says MRP is Rs 2164. However, I got it at around 1500 with discounts and cashback. Within the package, there are 6 sets, each containing 4 canisters. Let's check one set. This is a 2.5 liter canister, a 1.2 liter canister, a 650 ml canister, and a 300 ml canister. Here are some features of this product. It's free from bisphenol A, which is a health hazard when it comes in contact with food or liquid. It has got a wide mouth and is also airtight. It has a shatterproof body and it is made from FDA approved polyethylene terephthalate. Also, there are some cautions mentioned, like do not use in microwave, do not use abrasive on it, or use sharp utensils with it. So, I also bought the clear variant, again the same set containing 24 canisters. I would say these canisters are also somewhat leak proof. You can clearly see the plastic recycle code 1, which means it is made of polyethylene terephthalate, which is an effective moisture barrier. Also, it's shatterproof and strong and light at the same time. This material won't react with food or water and has got good transparency as well. However, it is susceptible to oxidation, so it is not suitable for beer or wine storage. The canister lids are see-through and that makes it easy to see what's inside. So, the transparency and the checker design makes them attractive. I have replaced most of the old containers in my kitchen with these elegant ones. And say what, it looks beautiful and organized. Moreover, you can save space by stacking them up. Even though the looks and quality were good, I was not happy when I found that the actual capacity was 50 to 100 ml lesser than the value mentioned. For your information, I used a Pyrex measuring cup and water to confirm the same. Apart from that, the product is recommended by most buyers. Some buyers are saying it's better than the Solimo one listed in Amazon India. So grab them if you get it at discounted rates. There are also lots of choices available, varying from different colors to sizes to product combos. Anyway, you can find the master link of the product in the video description. So that's it. Hope the video was useful. Peace.